Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Let's Finish Setting Up Your Device message that keeps popping up or getting stuck on Windows 11 and Windows 10. This message is meant to help you complete setup tasks like signing into Microsoft services, but sometimes it keeps reappearing or won't go away even after setup is complete. Don't worry, we'll walk through how to disable or remove it. Let's get started. Open the search menu. Type in Settings, then open the Settings app from the results. On the left panel, select System, then on the right side, click Notifications. Scroll down to Additional Settings. Uncheck the following options, suggest ways to get the most out of Windows, and finish setting up this device. You may also uncheck the other two options if you don't want additional tips or welcome messages. Close the settings window. That sets it. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.